Hello friends, day 38 and a good day. I'm really enjoying the Pennine Way. It's not as difficult as Offa's Dyke Path, not so many ups and downs, but some great views, really good views. I did have a bit of a disaster last night though. My sleeping mat sprung a leak, so at midnight by the light of a head torch I was fixing the leak and fortunately it all held up. Other highlights of today, I met a couple of marshals on a long distance walking association challenge walk and they kindly gave me a seat for 20 minutes and a piece of quiche, so thank you chaps. Let's have a look at today's footage and see you on the trail. I know you're going to find this hard to believe, but look what I found. Another room with a view.